Hey, so here's how to add a background photo when sharing a post to your Instagram story. So first open up your Instagram and scroll to the post you just want to share. Now tap the share button and select add to story option. So now you can easily change the background color. Use the draw option, choose any color, then tap and hold on the background to apply it. So now if you want to use a photo as the background, just tap the sticker icon and select photo. Now choose the image you just want to use as your background. Just resize and reposition it however you like. So when you are ready, just tap and hold the photo and drag it downward. So here you can see this will set the image as the background, and you will notice the post may disappear when you tap on it. But if you tap and hold on the story, the post will appear again. So this helps you to check the placement of both the post and the background photo. So once everything looks good, just tap share and then share again. So now open up your story and you will see the post shared perfectly with a custom background photo. Pretty cool, right? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.